Our relationship with electronics is broken. We're consuming too much, too quickly, and feeling frustrated. As a result, e-waste is the fastest growing waste stream in the world, and our consumption of new devices is contributing to rapidly increasing greenhouse gas emissions from resource extraction and processing, which already accounts for around half of the world's emissions. Repair is an effective way to combat these issues by keeping our devices in use for longer, slowing consumption of new products, and driving a shift towards a circular economy in line with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. But products are getting harder and harder to fix. We know this because since 2012, the Restart project has helped local communities organise and run repair events where people can work with skilled volunteers to fix their broken devices. We also support others to do the same around Europe and the world. At these events, citizen scientists record data about the broken items they see. After co-founding the Open Repair Alliance in 2017, we worked with our partners to create the Open Repair Data Standard. Using this standard as a foundation, we developed our open-source community platform, restarters.net, to enable citizens across Europe and beyond to record the repair data consistently and make sure it's interoperable with other networks. In our network alone, over 250 citizens have logged data about more than 32,000 broken items so far. On behalf of the Open Repair Alliance, we also aggregate and publish data from all members under an open license. Our latest dataset contains over 81,000 records from over 600 communities. Raw data is a good start, but we want to use it to push for broader change through education and awareness and campaigning for better policy at national and EU levels. So we engage citizens in 3 additional ways. First, we launched a European Right to Repair campaign to bring citizens' voices into the Brussels bubble. Since launching in 2019, the coalition now represents thousands of individual citizens and over 100 organisations from 21 EU countries. Our objective is to make repair affordable, accessible, and mainstream in legislation in line with the objectives of the European Green Deal and the Circular Economy Action Plan. Next, we used our data on broken devices to help inform policy discussions. Through 6 online microtasks, over 600 citizen scientists analysed data from over 11,000 attempted repairs, helping us learn why products break and how regulations can make repair easier and more accessible for everyone. We published this analysis as open data and used it as evidence in submissions to the European Commission itself. Finally, we researched the environmental impacts of consumer products. With a small, diverse team of citizen scientists, we designed and completed a research project that produced an open dataset of greenhouse gas emissions for 59 product categories, analysis we couldn't find publicly anywhere else at the time. We published the data widely and built an open-source educational tool that allows citizens to estimate the environmental benefits of their repairs. Taken together, our citizen data has helped us educate and inform the public and successfully push for the approval of new EU regulations around user-replaceable batteries and smartphone repairability and software support, as well as a shift away from voluntary agreements by the manufacturers of printers. We've achieved a huge amount in recent years and are building on these gains to fix our relationship with electronics for people, planet, and future.